Hey there, and welcome to resellemempire.co. This is the place where you'll find ready-made digital products that you can customize and resell as your own. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through how to explore our collections, make your purchase, and start using your Canva template links right away. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So from the navigation bar, you want to click on collections. Now, each collection here bundles a variety of digital products within a single niche, such as finance, mental health, or health and fitness. So in this case, let's go ahead and go with the health, fitness, and nutrition bundle just to show you more details about what's inside. So we're going to click on view collection. And as shown here on this page, this bundle includes 54 ready-to-sell templates, which you can sell individually on Etsy or even Shopify. And as we scroll down, we can see what those products are. And if we simply click on one of these products, you can see the product description of that product, the design, how they look, and all the template links from this product. So I'm going to jump back, and to actually purchase a bundle, we're going to scroll back up here, and we are going to click on the call to action button. As we can see here, it says start your business today. So we're going to click on that. Now you will be asked to sign in. So if you are new here, you can go ahead and click on the sign up link right here at the bottom, and then it's going to ask you for your name, email, and password. Or you can click on continue with Google here at the top and sign up that way, which is a little bit more quicker. Now, it's important to note that creating an account is required so that you can actually purchase the products, and those purchases can be linked back to your personal dashboard. So go ahead and sign up and complete the checkout with a secure payment, and you'll get instant access to the product. Now, let me go ahead and show you what this will look like after you complete your transaction. Now, once you are logged into the account that you just created and you have completed your purchase, you can navigate to the collections tab once again. So we're going to click on that, and you will see the collections that you have purchased unlocked here at the top, as we can see. So let's go ahead and click on the health, fitness, and nutrition bundle and view that collection. Then we'll go ahead and we'll scroll down here, and we now have these products that we can click on and open up, and we can now see the files that are included with that product. So we have everything now. We have the social media templates, the planners, the workbooks, courses, and so much more. And next to each one of these is the Open in Canva button. And if I close out of this one and we open up a different product, same scenario, we can scroll down here and see the included files with the Open in Canva option. So for the nutrition ebook template, let's go ahead and click on Open in Canva. Then we can click on View Template, and finally Open in Editor. And just like that, we can change the colors, the fonts, the text, and the images to match your brand. And you can save your edited templates and list it as a separate product in your own store or your marketplace. And each template comes with full resale rights so that you keep 100% of the profits. And that's all there is to it. Let's go back to our collections here. You can head over here and you can browse our niche-focused collections, create your account, and start unlocking professional digital products that you can brand, customize anyway, and then resell. If you have any questions or need any help at any point, our support team is just a message away. So dive in today and start building your digital empire with Resell Empire.